is Ray, and today I'm gonna unbox the brand new model from VKworld, the VK800X. It's an entry-level phone with sleek design and low price. Okay, let's open the box. As you can see, this is the phone and the USB cable. And the battery wrapped in blue. And this is the power adapter. Let's take a look at this. And still more. Here's a screen protector. And here's some instruction and warranty stuff. It's some basic information about the phone and about the company. Okay, let's leave those aside and take a look at this gorgeous phone. You see it has front flash beside the camera, a physical home button, and step edge to avoid slipperiness. You can see the power button and separate volume buttons. The headphone jack. On the left side there's absolutely nothing. And this is the USB port and microphone. On the back is built with nanometer aero material. It has brushed curve design. It feels really premium and comfortable in hand. It is actually removable. There's some information about the phone, the dual SIM slots. Okay, that's the carbon grey version of VK800X. We also got the silver and gold versions. Let's take a look. This is the silver one, very shining and beautiful, looks like a piece of jewelry. And this is the gold one, very classic and noble color, feels really good in hand.